here. See what we're going to pick up. Shouldn't be too long. 2 items. Got B04C8. I'm picking up for Alexis.
Alexis, right there, Mama.
Medium Pepsi. Mountain Dew and medium Pepsi.
Is this everything? Okay, thank you.
If that's going down that way, I'm going to be disappointed, but I don't recall that going that way. So I didn't accept it. I don't recall seeing that that was the direction for that one. So we'll see. We will see. If it was, it was not. Really gotta pay attention to what comes in. All right, coming on up in here. Building number 2, that didn't really tell me much. 36.
Turn left, then drop off on the right.
How you doing, Taco Bell? All right, how are you? Good, good. How's your new year treating you? That's good. Okay, let's see what we got right here. McDonald's. Seven items, 18F63. Hello. All right. Yeah, okay, thank you. All right, 18F63.
Yes.
Okay, this just one bag?
2 bags.
2 bags, okay. 1, add 1. 5 chicken. All righty.
Thank you.
Thank you. You too. 8784. I did that again. 784. 784. Yeah, let's see. How you doing? Let's get ready to go up that street right there. Yeah. How's your new year treating you?
Good.
Good, good. All right, have a good one now. Thank you. All right. Okay.
Thank you
Awesome.
so much.
Okay. No problem. There we go. All right then. Yep. You have a good one.
You too. Have a great day.
Okay. Okay. See how we're gonna do this here. See what we're gonna do first. This might. I don't know. Should I just all go in there? I'm thinking so. Thinking it all needs to go in there. And then this stuff right here would just have to fold over is what I'm thinking. We'll have to see. Let's see.
Pick up on the right.
Okay. Looks just like hay. See what we got here and how we're going to rearrange things.
For Casio?
Yes.
Alright.
Okay, this whole thing?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Street. Turn right on Mokalu Street, then drop off on the left. Head to your drop off at 86226 Mokalu Street. Head to your drop off at 86226 Mokalu Street. Drop off on the left. Head to your drop off at 86226 Mokalu Street. Drop off on the left. Cassia A says, leave at door. Please leave on bench and knock or ring doorbell. Please and thank you.
Take this one first and I'll come back and bring the drink. Here's their ring camera. I didn't even see their ring camera. Oh, it's up there. Okay.
Pick up on the right.
Hello, I'm back. Kamali? Kamalia? Yeah. Okay, those two there?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. All right.
Turn right, then drop off on the left.
Hi. Oh, for you?
Drop off on the left.
Oh, I thought it was for you. Okay.
Kamale K says, leave at
Huh?
door. Please leave at the door and
Oh,
knock
thanks
on
a
arrival.
lot.
Kamale K says, leave at door. Please leave at the door and knock on arrival.
Threw me off for a second. Leave a door. Okay. Boy. Enjoy, thank you. All right. Althea?
Yeah.
Yes.
2 drinks real quick.
Okay.
Raspberry with ice cream.
Okay.
Then we got one more straw.
Okay. Great. Thanks a lot. All righty then. Okay. Thank you.
You have a good day.
All right. All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. You too.
Turn right, then drop off. Maley C says, meet at door F, drop off.
You got it nicely organized too. How's it going? Alrighty. I see it's nice and organized here. Got the parking spaces and everything. All right then. Yep. Have a good one now.
You too,
All right.
thank
Thank you.